Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I'm Tanvi Singh from TrueScope.
What's your name?
Tanvi Singh, ma'am.
Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
Ma'am, so I'll be interviewing you
Yes.
about the Supreme Court's order.
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes, sure.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, the number one question is like, आपको क्या लगता है कि पेरेंट्स अपने किड्स की, अपने चिल्ड्रन की जो स्कूल फीस है उसको क्यों नहीं वो पे करना चाहते? What are the possible reasons behind this?
See, I won't be able to specify from the parent side of view. I'm also a parent. Maybe, see, the parents should not have had any difficulty paying the first quarter. Our sessions all over India, the sessions start in the month of April, right? And by March, every parent is prepared that the next month is the new admission time, right?
Yes.
So shifting from the old class to the new, or if there is a new admission. So they're all prepared. It's not a 1 day or a 2 day job ki we are getting the admission done tomorrow, and so today we have to arrange the money and everything.
Yes,
So, and when did the lockdown happen? The lockdown happened on 22nd March.
Yes.
The final call for the lockdown, right?
Yes.
So I empathize with the parents, but I fail to understand why they were not ready with the money, or why they were against paying the fee, because as it is, every parent is prepared कि हफ्ते में हमारा नया session शुरू हो रहा है. So the money would have been ready, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is not something which is undue, which has been asked by the parents. It is not something which they were not prepared for, which was asked by the parents. And schools, see, I don't vouch for every school, but I believe most of the private schools have been giving their 100%, whether it's online or face-to-face teaching or whatever. It is not just about education. They are concerned in the overall development of a child, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
the all-round development, which we call.
Yes,
So, I actually do fail to understand why the parents were adamant, or why they were hesitant in paying the fee, and why all this melodrama of the government, butting in and everything happened. Because, can I go on?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely.
See, whatever is happening, I think it's a big confusion created by our government also.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
parents would have paid. And my question to the government is, they are interfering in the school, this thing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas what about the coaching centers? What about the tuition centers? Who take lump sum, massive, big bulk of fee, and they take in either 1 or 2 installments at the maximum.
Yes.
And you also must be knowing how much fee is charged per subject, per
Yes.
syllabus.
Right.
Then how much fee do we charge in a small town? In a small town like ours, like Jalandhar, I'm
Yes.
not talking about Delhi or Mumbai or any other place, metropolitan city. Our maximum fees goes up till 4,500 per month.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you go to a hotel, or if you do online shopping, I am sure for 2 people, for a couple, the bill comes up to around 3,000, 3,500 nowadays.
Right, ma'am.
You know, I'm not talking about Corona, I'm just talking generally.
Yes.
Right? And the parent is also prepared for the new session. मैंने नया bag लेकर देना है, मैंने नया tiffin लेकर देना है, new shoes. You know,
Yes,
even if the child, it is irrespective whether the child wants it or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this, I honestly believe that just like all these international countries, you know, the government does not interfere in the school business. The education system in any country is the foundation of that country.
Right.
And when we talk about the HDI, the Human Development Index of any
Yes,
country,
ma'am.
it mainly depends on 2 things: the education and the health. Right? Just like I'm talking about pro-education, I also talk about pro-health facilities, you know,
Yes,
access to clean drinking water and everything. So if the literacy rate is good, the nation progresses. We all know that. It's an open fact.
Yes, ma'am.
But I see. The other day I was going through this HDI of the world. India, unfortunately, is on number 129 out of 189, and Norway is number 1. And when we talk about Norway, we talk about the education system in Norway.
Yes,
But unfortunately, I think our government and some people, maybe some people are not even our parents, they are just instigating the other parents, and they are misleading the public, and in turn, they are trying to disturb the education system, I feel.
Ma'am, but
Are we wrong?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
But ma'am, my question is don't you feel like with this sort of behavior, parents are compromising with their child's basic necessity, their basic right to education?
Because I don't understand they are compromising, especially in small towns. I understand every parent wants the best for his or her child, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it is not that like a boarding school or like a metropolitan school, we are asking for lakhs of fee. If I'm saying 3,000 to 4,000 per month, so that is only 36,000 to 40,000 per year.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes,
Even a middle class parent can spend that much amount on the future of their children.
Yes, ma'am.
And most of the private schools, I believe, they are doing a great job, and they're helping the government to fill their obligation.
Yes.
Whereas it should have been the other way around,
Yes.
And this is a very nominal fee we charge in our small town. And we all know that education is a necessity, and it won't, if we don't have good education, the future of our nation is dark. We all know that India is a developing nation. It's a third world country,
Yes,
with a massive population. So,
Yes, ma'am.
if we all join hands and we educate, our children, at
Right.
least we can improve upon our future.
Right.
Our
ma'am.
future generation will be, if they are educated and we don't go into all these melodramas. And but you won't believe, in our school, if a parent comes and he or she says that we are unable to pay the fee, if you could do something, we are in personal dilemma. We have proved that we have dissuaded the total amount of fee, or we have given them concession, and we are empathetic with them.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and 22nd March, when the lockdown was announced, from 23rd March, our teachers, pulled up their socks, and we started with the online education right from 23rd March.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you go to our school's Facebook, Mayor World School Facebook page,
Yes, ma'am.
you will see the comments that people, the parents, the existing parents have given, have written on the wall. So the parent is only positive, and I'm not talking about a handful of parents. Around 90% of our parents are positive parents. I have nothing against them, and a few percent everywhere we have there is a flaw everywhere.
Yes,
In every society, there are negative things and there are
Right.
positive things.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you might be aware of the Delhi High Court's order.
Yes,
They said like the students who are not paying their fee, I mean the parents of the students or who are not ready to give fee to the school, they are blocked from the online classes.
See, here I slightly disagree. If the High Court, I know the High Court has given this order,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
I feel we should, one by one, we should call those parents. We
Yes.
should talk to them. And if they are unable to pay the fee now, they can pay the fee in about a month's time, and we can give them a timeline sort of
Okay.
thing.
Okay.
I understand, all businesses are not flourishing. Even our
Yes,
business, like my husband has a factory, so we know. I understand, and I'm a mother of 3 children, so I understand,
Yes, ma'am, right.
that there can be crisis. So I feel here the school should be calling these parents, should be talking to them one by one, should understand their whether the case is genuine, and
Yes,
if the case is genuine, we should empathize and we should solve it. Sitting, it can't be High Court ne kar diya to bachche ko nikal.
Right.
Where is the child's fault, no?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
child is not at fault
Yes.
at all.
Yes.
So I'm sorry, but I don't agree with this statement.
Okay.
देखो निकालना बच्चे को तो बहुत इजी है, आज मैं
जी।
निकाल देती हूँ, मेरे
Right.
पैसे नहीं आ रहे, पर ये तो हमें देखना चाहिए ना कि पैसे क्यों नहीं आ रहे. Why is the parent? हाँ, if the parent is it's a small town, we know nearly all the parents we know. If
Yes,
the parent is a doctor, if the parent, whatever is going on. But अगर
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
दे पा रहा, तो there has to be a reason, because which parent will play with the education of the child?
Right.
I don't think any parent would do that. But कुछ है, मतलब अपनी शॉपिंग चल रही है, कपड़े अभी भी खरीदे जा रहे हैं, लेकिन
Yes,
फीस
ma'am.
पे करने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. ड्रिंक्स अभी भी चल रही हैं,
Yes.
इन पंजाब एवरी पंजाबी माइनस अ फ्यू. सो अगर ड्रिंक्स पे आप अपने एक बॉटल 1-2 हजार की खरीद के पी सकते हो, तो आप
Yes,
फीस
ma'am.
भी दे सकते हो ना.
Right,
देन यू
ma'am.
कैन पे द फीस ऑल्सो ना.
Yes, ma'am.
तो हाँ जी.
Ma'am, when Supreme Court passed the order yesterday, when it said that we are not going to entertain this plea any further, Punjab CM said that on behalf of the Parents Association, now they will move to the Supreme Court and they will seek justice for them. With this, don't you think that government is being one-sided?
I just like I opened my statement, I was talking about the government flaws.
Yes,
The
ma'am. Yes.
government should understand that these schools are a major hand in building the future of our country.
Right. ma'am.
Let us talk about Punjab. We are living in Punjab. We
Yes, ma'am.
all know that Punjab is a drug state, unfortunately now.
Right.
Right?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
we are catering to the educational needs of a child, we
Yes.
are dissuading the child from getting into wrong things like drugs or any kind of addiction. So the Punjab government should be happy in that. ठीक है, अगर ये कैप्टन साहब बोल रहे हैं कि ये गलत है, हम पेरेंट्स को हमने अपने वोट बैंक को करना है, तो वोट बैंक से तो फिर वोट्स ही मिलेगी बच्चे, फिर वो क्वालिटी आपके जो हमारी स्टेट की क्वालिटी है वो गिरती जाएगी. As it is, we were once a flourishing state, now we are a drug state.
Yes. Yes,
So
ma'am.
if he is so against the private schools, and whereas the private schools CBSE affiliated हैं, हम सारे norms follow करते हैं, audits होते हैं बकायदा, हम सारे ESI, PF सब कुछ देते हैं, so then I think he should not have any problem. या फिर अपने गवर्नमेंट स्कूल यूके की तरह इतने अच्छे करो कि the child should be given seat on merits. पर वहाँ भी आपको पता है कोटा सिस्टम है.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आप हायर जाते हैं, इतनी जगह पर तो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स है ही नहीं है. आप हिमाचल में देख लो. आई नो सो मेनी प्लेसेस देयर आर ओनली प्राइमरी स्कूल्स या आंगनवाड़ी है. उसके बाद जब बच्चे ने पढ़ना है तो द चाइल्ड हैज टू गो टू फ्रॉम 8 to 10 kilometers on foot to go to a mediocre kind of a school. So कैप्टन साहब को आई थिंक समझना चाहिए कि हाँ, जो स्कूल गलत कर रहा है आप जरूर उसको पकड़ो, आप उसके पेपर वर्क देखो, उसका रिजल्ट देखो, एंड उसको यू शुड ही और हिज टीम शुड पुट टू टास्क.
Right. ma'am.
But the schools which are generally doing good, I don't think कि कैप्टन साहब और anyone should be against
Right.
it. है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, amidst lockdown, every school has lost its revenue. Right? Everyone
Yes,
is going
yes.
through, not only schools, but businessmen and every other layman is going through a financial crunch.
Yes, it's a very bad time.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, how much loss, if you would mind to say, how much loss your school has incurred during the lockdown period? Because see, we know lots of school managements have decided to pay salaries with deduction to their teachers and the other non-teaching staff. So, what possible changes your management did to pay the teachers, to pay the dues to the teachers, or to clear dues of the other non-teaching staff?
Okay, I'll tell you. Actually, the first 2 months,
Yes,
okay, we paid the full salary.
Okay.
And we had to take loan to pay the
sorry, ma'am.
salaries.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice was not audible earlier. Can you please
Okay.
be a little clearer, please? Yeah.
In the first two months,
Yes,
we paid
ma'am.
the full salary. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And after that, we were in, like you said, we are all in crisis.
Right.
So the fees नहीं आ रही तो हम salaries भी कैसे देंगे? So then I think the chairman, he took loan from the bank
Okay.
to pay off the salaries.
Right.
But then I will honestly tell you, then third month we paid 70% salary.
Okay. That's
Okay,
great.
70%, but for the guards, for the helpers, जो स्कूल में मेड्स होती हैं, गार्डनर्स होते हैं, गार्ड्स होते हैं, उनको हमने 100% सैलरी दी है, क्योंकि वो बहुत गरीब तबका है. उनकी
Yes,
सैलरी काटना इज लाइक अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस इन माय
Right.
आईज. मे बी आई एम टू इमोशनल, बट आई फील कि उनकी सैलरी नहीं कटनी चाहिए.
Right.
तो बट ये जो हमने 70% भी काटा है, we hope and pray when things get fine, when parents start paying the fee, we are going to क्या बोलते हैं?
Give them their full share.
Yes.
Yes.
फिर हम उनको देंगे, तो जो भी काटा है उनको पूरे ड्यूज उनको मिलने चाहिए. Because see, in our school we have 90 teachers, 90.
Okay.
Now 90 teachers, you also know, if you are like a group of 6 friends, अब 6 की 6 तो कंप्यूटर से अभी नहीं होंगी ना.
Right.
तो हमारी 90 टीचर्स में आप सोचो, some teachers are not so well off, they are working for the salary. तो
Yes.
उनके घर तो एक एक फोन होता है. Not
Right.
everyone has a laptop, not everyone has an iPad or a tablet or desktop. So
Right.
still all our teachers, including the dance teachers, the art teachers, they all manage to take classes either on phone, either on the laptops or iPad, जिसके पास जो था. तो
Right.
उनकी मेहनत का भी तो हमें देखना है ना.
True.
But yes, अब जैसे our school has a fleet of buses, तो हमारे ड्राइवर्स का, कंडक्टर्स का तो चलो हमने कर दिया, लेकिन जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं उनका तो नुकसान हुआ ही है.
Right.
जब हमें फीस ही नहीं आ रही ट्रांसपोर्ट की.
Right.
Similarly, हमारी meals, we make meals in the school. We provide the children with vegetarian food, and अब हमारे उनका भी शेफ का भी he had to go to Nepal, but उनकी भी 70% गई है. तो लॉस तो बेटा बहुत है. और
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
नॉर्मल जब स्कूल चलता है तो उसमें रेगुलर जो रीअकरिंग फाइनेंशियल जो प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं वो तो आपको पता है आती हैं, जो फिक्स कॉस्ट है. अब
Yes.
गवर्नमेंट ने तो, ये कैप्टन साहब ने तो हमारा बिजली का बिल नहीं डिसुएट किया ना.
Yeah.
कैप्टन साहब ने तो हमारे रोड टैक्स भी नहीं हटाए. कैप्टन
जी.
साहब ने लोन के ऊपर हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं खत्म किया.
बिल्कुल.
तो कैप्टन साहब थिंक्स दैट वी आर ऑल मिंटिंग मनी, ripping off people, and now we are we are the bad people. It is not like that.
Okay.
It is actually not. They should all see the paperwork of the schools.
Yes, ma'am.
You know what actually is happening. कहने को मैं कुछ भी कहूँ, but you even I challenge your I don't know, you're with a paper or what, you can come and check the books.
Right.
And you can, or it is important to maintain all that. So कैप्टन साहब को बोलो या तो हमें वहां से खत्म कर दें, बिजली के बिल खत्म कर दें.
Right.
क्या करें, बिजली के बिल भी देने हैं, रोड टैक्स भी
बिल्कुल.
देने हैं,
True.
इंटरेस्ट भी देने हैं, और फीस भी नहीं लेनी, और सैलरीज भी पूरी देनी है. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? है ना. स्कूल्स में तो इट इज अ गिव एंड टेक. वहां से आती है फीस, आती है सैलरी जाती है. एज सिंपल एज दैट, है ना.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, one last question to you.
Sure.
When Captain Saab said that he will, on behalf of the Parents Association, he will move to the Supreme Court. But Supreme Court's yesterday's order said that we are not going to entertain any more pleas on this regard, and states shall, look onto this matter. So with this, it means that Punjab and Haryana High Court, people will approach it. People will approach High Court, right? They will go there. Even the government will also move there to, to give justice to the Parents Association. But if the High Court then again refuses to, entertain this plea, so how would Punjab government would come up to help the management of various schools across the state? Do you think that if the High Court refuses to entertain the plea, Punjab government would make its mind to help the management so that they can come out of the crisis?
See, but honestly, I have no expectations from the Punjab government.
Okay.
As it is, they've not supported any schools management. I'm not saying मुझे नहीं support किया या फलाना नहीं किया, but they've not supported any school management.
Okay.
है ना? अभी मैंने इससे पहले यही बोला था.
Right.
Support,
Right, sir.
हमें सपोर्ट कैसे मिलना था? हाँ, अगर हमारा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल कहते चलो जी,
Right, ma'am.
आपके ये आने वाले 3 महीने आपने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं देना है,
जी.
आपने रोड टैक्स नहीं देना है, आपने जो लोन लिया हुआ है उसके ऊपर आपने इंटरेस्ट नहीं देना, तो
जी.
आई वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड. बट आर दे डूइंग दैट? दे नॉट.
Okay.
तो जो लोग देखकर आंखें बंद कर रहे हैं, नहीं कर रहे, तो वो आगे को क्या करेंगे ना? आई रियली डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम either our education minister
Okay.
or our
Punjab government. Okay.
Punjab government, yes.
Okay, that's fine, ma'am. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time with us.